Class Dojo. Where will I see my points? That's what you ask. Well, you need to go to this page called Class Dojo to see the points that you have received. This is for extra credit, remember? And I did tell you that you can get these points by participating, by doing great in teamwork, by contributing genius ideas, and then I mentioned others, right? So you can check that out on the page, but here is a quick tutorial on how to join Class Dojo just to see how many points you have and follow on. First things first, like I said, join by going to dojo.me. Search that. You want to sign in with Google. Maybe I want to try signing in with some other email. And then you need to provide the code. So let's say I provided you a code that for your particular class, and it will lead you to your class. So let's say my name is Beyonce. I'll click the Beyonce and it will take me to a page that looks like this. I already know that Beyonce has points, and I received that today. I received 1 point today, and you can keep track of other points that are given to you by going to Class Dojo all the time. So later on, maybe we'll use the photo, video file and others. But for right now, just use this to track your points. It was nice to meet you again, and hopefully this is very helpful to you.